Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to tonight's biggest puppet show in the UK. This is the final battle. The Bad Boys from Birmingham against Black Diamonds from Manchester, competing for first place, singing the song Talk Dirty. So people, are you ready to enjoy the show? Let the battle begin. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm that flight that you get on, international. First class seat on my lap, girl, riding comfortable. So you know what the girl them need, New York to Haiti. I got lipstick marks on my passport, make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me.
I'm that flight that you get on, international. First class seat on my lap, girl, riding comfortable. 'Cause I know what the girls and me, New York to Haiti. I got lipstick stamps on my passport, you make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really wanna understand is when you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me.
Wow! What an amazing performance that was! Too bad it had to come to a close. And now, it's time to announce the winning team. And the winners are... the Bad Boys! A big applause for the Bad Boys, please. Congratulations, guys. Well done.